Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to get the keyboard on screen now. First, confirm your device supports a software keyboard and open settings or accessibility. This saves time. On Windows, go to Settings, Ease of Access, Keyboard, and toggle the on-screen keyboard on. Once done, enable the taskbar keyboard icon so you can summon it fast. On touch devices, add the keyboard widget or enable Show on-screen keyboard in input settings. This first step establishes access immediately and prevents extra digging later. Next, configure the keyboard to match how you work. For macOS, open System Preferences, Keyboard, and enable Show Keyboard and Emoji Viewers so you can open the viewer from the menu bar. On Android, go to Settings, System, Languages, and Input, then Virtual Keyboard to enable or switch keyboards. Make sure Gboard or your preferred app is active. For iPad, in Settings, General, Keyboard, toggle Show Keyboard and enable floating or split layouts if you need smaller keys. These steps let you open and customize input quickly. Finish by opening the keyboard where you type. Tap any text field, use the taskbar or menu bar icon, or press a keyboard shortcut to toggle it. If it doesn't appear, restart the input service or the device and make sure the OS and keyboard app are updated. This often resolves invisible keyboards. If problems persist, switch or reinstall the virtual keyboard app before chasing drivers. This isolates app-level faults. Remember, testing a second user account or guest session quickly rules out profile-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.